Hey everybody, this is Bill Stevens with the Music Educator Quick Tip of the Day. And today I'm going to talk a little about trumpet handling. Now, a lot of trumpet players out there have their own opinions, and I'm going to give you some of the main points here. So when you're holding a trumpet, especially when you're working with beginners, you always want to use kind of a C shape with the hands, and that kind of goes with a lot of instruments. When you're playing, you want to make sure, first, you don't play flat fingered, okay? And one of the problems with flat fingers, when you're using them, a lot of times there's a little bit of a pressure to one side or the other, and instead of having the piston go straight up and down, what happens is it goes out of the side, and it starts to shave off little tiny bits of metal, and that starts to become a problem, and eventually you have to take it into the shop. The other big tip is, some people call this lovingly the octave key. It's not, okay? You want to use good amounts of air, fast airstream, and you want to limit how much pressure you actually put on the lips. So consider having your beginners only put their finger in there when they're literally grabbing the trumpet and turning the page. And that's your Music Educator Quick Tip